My name's Adam, this is Caleb. Adeptfly is a family-owned and operated business. We take care of the inspection, testing and maintenance of buildings as well as the installation of new fire equipment.
So things like sprinkler systems, fire doors, fire detection and alarm systems. So our goal is ensuring that these systems get installed into buildings and save lives.
And we help building owners through the certification process. Uptick has really improved our workflow right from the very beginning, when it's guys going out to site, seeing what needs to be done, and then us sending our quotes in from the office and then going out to do the repairs.
Just the way that Uptick presented to the client was the most user-friendly. They were able to see where we were, when we were going to sites, and also get photos as well as real-time data on the assets. Any defects they get, they can see a photo that proves what the issue is, and it helps us build our trust with the clients.
It's become a whole lot more smooth.
Learning new technology is never really easy, but Uptick, they made it really straightforward actually. They had an onboarding manager that was really helpful. We're always available when we had questions, and it was just a case of us using it to get to know the program.
So our company's been going through rapid growth, and it's really been easy with the help of Uptick, scheduling in new boys as well as making it really easy for them to understand the program that we're using and doing the inspections. We do have a lot of younger technicians that are new to the industry, so it's great having such an easy program while they're learning the actual industry as well. So Uptick has really helped our growth. It allowed us as a company to provide what we think is a great service, giving reports really quickly and quotes really quickly, and allowing us to act on any repairs really quickly, which we think ultimately led to why we've had such fast growth. When we started with Uptick, we had 2 technicians and we're now at 15, and we think a lot of that was due to Uptick's quick response and quick workflow.
Yeah, I'd definitely recommend Uptick. It's really helped us grow as a business and also produce great reporting to clients.
I'd definitely recommend Uptick. It's been great for us and it's been great for everyone involved.